The CockBlocker. Nice.
CockBlocker. That's great. That's really cool.
Simple. Even the bassist can use it, right?
Very solidly built. You could probably, hammer in some nails with that. Nice color scheme. Very on brand.
It's the CockBlocker. I've always needed one.
Who doesn't want a CockBlocker on his pedalboard, right?
We had a church bell ringing. We thought of nothing more beautiful and fitting to have the church bells ringing with the holy Glenn Fricker behind me, with his beautiful new pedal called, let's say it beautifully, the CockBlocker.
What does it do? Does it hang out at parties and ruin everything for me?
The CockBlocker.
The fuck?
Get your pedal today.
That's everybody's first impression on the SMG CockBlocker, and to help me break its cherry, we've got Ms. Jen Majera from Evanescence. You guys remember Jen from last year? We did that video, did pretty good, and we had a lot of fun with that. Check this out, just kind of in and out. Phrasing. So, you want volume up there, Jen? Let's hear what we got here. So that's our noise. We kick it on. There we go.
It's fucking awesome because you can see when it cuts in, right?
Right.
So what does the red knob do?
That's just how much
how
gate.
hard?
Yeah, how hard it goes.
Let's change it.
We've got it dialed way back, but if we crank that right up, it's going to be really, really. And it just clamps right down. This will give you a bit more sustain on the coming out of those chords. And we can dial back even further. Get some of that real subtle playing in.
But it doesn't cut immediately.
No,
it's like
exactly.
softening out.
That's because it's going through the effects loop. So this is measuring your guitar's input versus what the amp is doing.
Nice.
So it's works much more intelligently than a standard gate pedal.
Nice. I like.
And then just clamps right down.
Especially like, for example, Evanescence have riffs going on like. And it needs.
Gee, never heard that one before. Didn't she cut out the guy's vocal part there? Shh, we're not supposed to talk about that.
No, and it's really important to have like a hum-free, like complete silence in between those chunky riffs.
Oh, absolutely.
It's nice.
And then we can clamp that right down. Go try it one more time. See, we're not getting the springs that time.
I like it. I like that it's soft. It's not cutting like crazy because
Right.
most noise gates go like.
Exactly.
This is awesome. It's really for dynamical playing.
Right, exactly. And it's got one knob so even the bass players can get it right. So you can show it to your bass player and it won't confuse them.
Tim, I'm going to show it to you.
Okay. All right. All right, so there you go. It's dead simple. It's got one knob. It does its job. You can play dynamically, and it's not going to fuck with your playing. But if you're playing clean, turn it off because you don't need it for that kind of situation. And this is for high gain.
High gain stuff, yeah.
Absolutely. So if you want to get yourself an awesome gate pedal that isn't going to fuck with your playing, yeah, check out the CockBlocker. I'll have a link in the description below. You guys can get it online now. And you'll see it on tour with Evanescence as well. So thanks, Jen. Thanks very much for that.
You're so welcome, buddy.